Hi guys, I'm here with Holly and we're doing some cooking today. We're learning how to make tortilla de patatas, croquetas, mussels, and calamari. So that's the owner over there. She's teaching us, and that's Nacho. He's,
Hola.
yeah. Jenny and Jenny and Sydney are making the croquetas, and back there the girls Esther, Maggie, Maddie, and Jenna are doing the mussels and the calamari. So we're gonna show you what we make later. Hello again. I'm cleaning this is mussels. To be honest, I don't do this. I do not like seafood. I do not eat seafood, but just to try it out. And because it's part of the program, I have to stick to it.
Muy bien.
Caleb is here and he's cleaning the calamari. I tried one. It's kind of freaky and you have to like cut their eyes out, take their mouth out, and cut it out. And then the girls are cooking up already and it looks pretty. Okay, so now I'm with Maggie and Esther and we're doing the croquetas. I haven't tried this, but I already did, so they're teaching me how to do it. Right, guys? It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so what do I do next?
So give it to her, or you can do it.
Yeah, you do the flour. Okay. Do I put my hands in there or what?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Mix it around, and then not too much because it will allegedly explode.
Okay.
Too much. Then like take it and shake it off a little bit. Yeah.
So take the excess off. Okay.
Yeah.
Then put it in the eggs?
Yeah. And then we coat it with the eggs. And then we put, what is this called again?
Panko. Bread.
Panko.
It's Asian bread.
Japanese breadcrumbs.
Japanese.
And it's gonna be crunchy, so you want to put a lot.
And it does not take too much oil, so that's good. We don't want oil. And let me move you over here, guys. So we're here with Maddie and Jenna, and they're cutting up the patatas for la torta de patatas. Tortilla de patatas. So they're doing a really good job. No, hola, hola. Now we're making a tortilla de patatas. There's a small space for all of us, but he's gonna whisk his 2 eggs and then add the potatoes. They're already fried, so they're crunchy. And Esther already did the process of putting it in the pan. Then she's gonna flip it and it's gonna be her tortilla de patatas. Tortilla?
Tortilla. Muy bien.
So now we're gonna put it back in the pan and fry it again.
Dude, you're so long.
Hola, I am seasoning my vegan harina de garbanzo in place of eggs because estoy vegana. Soy vegana. Muy bien.
What does she add, guys?
Vino Blanco, some salt, whatever the red stuff is, some garlic, some chili,
The red stuff is this.
onion, some lemon, and whatever that leaf is.
The leaf of Julius Caesar.